สวัสดีทุกท่านที่กำลังติดตามรับชมอรุณจันทร์ทริป EP 1ตอนนี้เรากำลังเดินทางมาเมืองกัวฮาติของรัฐอาซัมที่ตั้งอยู่ภาคตะวันออกเฉียงเหนือของประเทศอินเดียเราจะมาเข้าร่วมงานสัมมนาพระพุทธศาสนานานาชาติที่จัดขึ้นเป็นครั้งทำอิฐในเมืองกัวฮาตินี้โดยพี่น้องชาวจักมาและชาวเมืองกัวที่ตั้งใจจัดขึ้นเพื่อปลุกระดมและก็เผยแพร่พระพุทธศาสนาในภูมิภาคนี้ซึ่งงานนี้เพิ่นได้เรียนเชิญชาวพุทธนานาประเทศมาร่วมในงานซึ่งในนั้นก็มีประเทศลาวเฮาได้เข้าร่วมโดยต่างหน้าแม่นวัดลาวพุทธคยานานาชาติซึ่งงานนี้ได้จัดขึ้นจบไปแล้วตั้งแต่เดือน5ปี2018พุ่นขน้อยเองเพิ่งก็เอามาตัดต่อลงเนาะนี่ก็เป็นอีกทริปหนึ่งที่เฮาได้มีโอกาสขึ้นมาทางภาคเหนือของอินเดียแล้วก็ EP 2ต่อไปเฮาจะไปอรุณจันทร์เนาะแต่ว่า EP นี้เฮามาเบิ่งกันก่อนว่างานสัมมนาพระพุทธศาสนานานาชาติจะเป็นไปในใดข้าพเจ้าจะบ่พากหลายมีแต่ให้ทุกท่านชมเบิ่งบรรยากาศ
สัตตาเดวมนุสสานังบุตโธภะคะวะติสัพพะโตอิติสุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆอุจุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆญาณปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆดานุภาเวนะสัทธาสตติภวังตุเตปัตตยักขพุทธานังปาปะกะนิวารณาปาริตัสสานุภาเวนะ
by bus all the way from Bodh Gaya to Guwahati, and we all know that it's not that easy to travel day and night, and to be here today and with all your smile intact. And I do not have the list of the cities that you are all you have all traveled from and then participating your representing your respective cities. And Juju to all of you, and of course a warm welcome and greetings. Who is also head of the department of State Pariyati Sasana University, Myanmar, and take back the memories. And of course in advance, I seek your forgiveness for all the inconveniences that you have faced, and for all the time lapses. We are supposed to start at 9 o'clock and we have started pretty much 1.5 hours late, and apologies on behalf of Global Buddhist Fund. And we are looking forward to acquire a lot of knowledges from both the scholars, venerable sanghas, and of course all the wonderful people here. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
What we are going to discuss today and tomorrow is a quite serious issue. As Buddhist teacher, as a monk, as a practitioner, we have a lot of things to be concerned about the present state of the world and many ill of the society and the suffering of the different level of the world, and most of all, the very serious danger the whole of this planet is facing. Same time.
And all the guest of honors, scholars, and my friends. Being a National Minority Commission member, I am representing a National Minority Community as a Buddhist member. So this is my, for the first time I visited Assam and
Then we had a very long relationship with Southeast Asian countries. That means Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, right on this side. So now we have a policy known as Act East policy of Government of India. That means Government of India would like to see that our relationships with the Southeast Asian countries, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, Myanmar are so very important that we have to go to these countries through Northeast India.
Cố canh điện bằng tam thế chư phận y bà nhã ba la mật đạt nậu đa la tam miệu tam bồ đề cô tri bà nhã ba la mật đa thì đại đế ba la thần nguyện đề bồ đề tán bài hai yến đề ba la Thank you very much. Monks and nuns international, dear professor from many university, sisters and brothers in Dharma. I am very happy to have been to temple in Bodh Gaya and Lumbini. He take me here. I think I have very good chance. I was born in Vietnam. When they have the knowledge, they treated Vietnam, they can help the Vietnam. Because I hope
นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ Good morning, and first of all I would like to respect Mahathera, Sanghas, Bhikkhuni, Bhikkhu and Bhikkhunis, scholars, professor and Ubasika, Dhamma friends, brother and sister. And today we come in Guwahati for first Buddhist conference, but sorry I not remember because not mentioned here topic of discussion because I not bring this my invitation class. So behalf of Laos people inside and outside country. Why we say that outside, inside and outside country? Because a lot of people they stay around the world. So we same of Chakma or Thai Kamti like this, same group. Because face and everything different, not much, very similar. If like your people go and stay in our temple in our country, they cannot mention that you are different. And some language also similar. And now we in here, and how when we have conference here, how we bring benefit for Guwahati, Assam, and Northeast India. Because when we have conference, we should have benefit for here. So we come from very different country and very different culture. And one thing, we should look back to our religion, like our country. How in our country Buddhist civilization or Buddhism is developed in our country, like Thailand, Laos, and some Cambodia, Burma, Myanmar, like this. All this is developed. Why? Why develop? Because Buddhism, not our religion, very early. New religion for us, not our religion early, but religion of India. Buddhism is religion of India. Because Buddha was born in Jambudvipa, India, and enlightened here, passed away here. But why Buddhism civilization there? And this one, we thinking, in Laos, we faced the war very long time, more than 100 years. And America dropping the bomb 3 million ton to Laos. But after the war, but why Buddhists come and develop again? When they make the war there, they also bring Christian and establish in Laos. After that, how can come again Buddhists in Laos? This one also in Assam, in Arunachal, like this area, this should be how and how to help each other. And like we not tell about only Theravada, but we come here mean it's like only Theravada. You can look like a Tibetan Buddhism, how they go that in the global, in the Europe, in America, why very space? The mean is a Buddhism, Apriya from India only Theravada. It means it's Mahayana still here, very long time. But our group, our ethnic group, we believe on Theravada, Buddhism. So that we think that Buddhism appear from India because we Theravada, because Theravada is an Apriya only. But Buddhism until here. And how we have that lesson, how we have like this to develop again, come back to India and in this area. So when we go like a northern like a Himalaya area, they also have civilization by Tibetan Buddhism, but only middle way that Buddhism not developed in India. Here, so that when like this group go anywhere, they bring that Buddhism with them. But sometimes now, we cannot show up that we are Buddhists. We cannot show up that we poor or we rich. We cannot show up that we are Buddhists only. This one, if we think back to us again, and we more study, like it mean if we have ego, and we not harmony, so that if we not harmony, how we develop? So this one we should thinking more. We should let up that our ego. We should not have our ego because we teach another. We teach lay people. We teach like this that you should have not ego. You should let down. You should let many know. But who respect you, they know that you very great or not. That one is. We should harmony. How to harmony each other? Buddha also teach us that not anybody was born to be like a same family, like a father, mother, grandmother, sister and son. And if we think like this, we all are same family here. We hope that you never hear anybody because like a elder monk, Mahatera monk, like a father. Like I'm here also, like all of you is my friend, my family member. So if you keep your feeling, keep your mind to share to other, then what is the harmony coming, loving kindness coming, and sharing love each other. This one very easy way to harmony each other. Like this one I would like to share with you. I would like to thank who organizer, Mahatera, and all of you here. And may all of you feel peaceful in mind and free from all form of suffering. Thank you.
We participate in many conferences. They may say, the Buddha says, life is so difficult. To be a human, to teach the Dhamma, or to listen to the Dhamma of the Buddha, even of Buddhism, why they bloom in another countries, not Indians' origin itself. We don't need to talk about that also, but it's also good to remind you as Indian, especially now we come closer, Indian and as Assam, Guwahati people, you now